So when you use your picnic bag, you're going to want bowl covers because you always want to take something that you have and you don't have the right kind of lid for it. For instance, a pie. So bowl covers are just these awesome little things that you can keep around. It can fit multiple sizes. You could also make one to fit a casserole, you know, like when you have that chicken that's in there. And you take your bowl, whatever bowl you want, and you're going to want to draw 2 inches around this edge. Now, I happen to have this safety pin that is exactly 2 inches. So you want something that's 2 inches. You could use, you know how we cut these out? You could use a piece of this that's 2 inches. Actually, that'd be better. Let's use that. So I don't have any left, but there you go. That's 2 inches. And I'm going to do actually my pie tin, my pie plate, because I take a lot of pies. This might be about the right size. Oh, it's a little bit big. You want it about 2 inches. Now, if you watch, we have a video that Laura Kuia of So Very Easy made. And what she did was take a piece of cardboard and make it into a template. And then she put the pen in a hole that's in the edge. Anyway, it's worth a little watch. It's on our website. So look for bowl covers pattern. We also made fabric for Missouri Star for bowl covers. We had this fabric made and had some cutouts for their Advent box. And our day was bowl cover day. Okay, now we're gonna do that. And then the other thing that might be kind of tricky on here is you want to take this. Is it so different from that? It is. Is it so different from that? Oh, it is. Okay, I don't know if I can put this around, but basically, I'll use this. What you want to do is put it around the top of your bowl. See, the pie plate doesn't have enough of a lip. So if you guess that it's about that, and then you're going to take out about 3 inches. So I'm going to use that much. What I like to do is finger press the corners. So what I'm going to do is sew this. I'm just going to sew it and overlap it and take a little stitch there. We're going to pin it here. Oops. So then we'll find the centers over here and the quarter mark right there. And if you have a zigzag, you might want to zigzag around this edge. I don't. I just have an industrial straight stitch. So that's what I'll use. They're really awfully forgiving. Okay, so this is a great thing to do with any of your scraps, is make little bowl covers. You can make them any size that you want. Here's our Missouri Star reusable bowl huggers. And we're going to include this in our fabric of the month so that you can see how they, what instructions they have. Now I use black thread, but you can use white thread. So I'm going to sort of gather it as I go. Now, the point is that you're kind of going towards the quadrant. You're finishing one quadrant at a time. There. One is done. One done. Now you're going to want to stretch this out, you know, and just keep it gathering. Oops. This one doesn't want to stay in. So you want to make it stay in because that's the quadrant. And that's all there is to it. Now I missed a little section right there, so I will just go back.